Okay, I hope you can see anything because I'm a lefty, but I sprayed with my hairspray bottle a little bit of hairspray here and a little bit of hairspray down there, and then I have to keep it in my hand with my fingers and wait until the stuff is dry. It seems to work like I have hoped it would, but I think it's going to last a while. My dear fellow collectors, it seems that the method with the hairspray works well. I just have to do it with the front too. It looks much better than before. So now let's see how this part is doing when we are going to spray it on the head. Of course I'm going to wash the hair later, so that we don't have any hairspray in the hair or any disadvantages because of the hairspray. I'm going to wash it out before I do anything with the hairstyle. My dear fellow collectors, I'm back. I tried to smooth the hairstyle out a bit. I think I made progress, but it's not perfect, and that's why I'm going to dip her in the water in the next minute and see if we can get the hairspray out again before I try to make a final ponytail, so that the hair is really smooth and we have no hairspray in the hair anymore. That's what she looks like at the moment. So let's dry the head and see if we get what I want or not. And then I'll be back tomorrow, because I have to let her dry now. So like this, I think I have it. I washed her hair the last time you saw me, and then I put hairspray in her hair again, and then I combed it out, and then I played a bit around and found the best way. It is when you touch the hair like this and you smoothen it as much as possible, and then you use a bigger elastic and then you wrap it around several times like this. Okay, she's not cooperating today, maybe because it's Thursday, and then it should work. Okay, I was a bit too far from her head, but that's the way I think it should work, and that's the way it's going to work when I'm not taping it. Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow collectors, to Busy Bee from Germany. We are going to continue with our swimwear. I have already made her a ponytail. I think that's the best I can do so far. In comparison to this one, that's the original. I know she's looking a bit messy because she was laying in the sun on the last day. But the next step is that we are going to measure the hair with my measure band and then see how long the hair is, and then I'm going to cut it. This one is a bit longer and this one too, and I have to measure them too, and then I have to cut them to the right length. I think I have to measure twice, once here, once from up there, so that I get the right length for the hair. cm vinegar, I think that's it.